In an era marked by climate crisis, the search for effective solutions has never been more urgent. Today, we delve into the debate between nature-based solutions, NBS, and tech-driven approaches, examining which strategy might hold the key to a sustainable future. From understanding the benefits of natural ecosystems to exploring the cutting-edge innovations in technology, this video will take you through critical dimensions like carbon sequestration, cost-effectiveness, and community impacts. Join us as we evaluate these approaches to determine their potential to shape meaningful climate action now and in the future. 1. Understanding nature-based solutions, NBS. Nature-based solutions, or NBS, are fascinating approaches that tap into the power of nature to combat climate change. Think of them as nature's own remedies to the environmental challenges we face. These strategies involve conserving, restoring, or managing natural ecosystems like forests, wetlands, and coastal areas. Just like how a well-maintained garden thrives, NBS aim to nurture and protect these ecosystems. For example, planting trees in deforested areas is a simple yet effective way to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. NBS not only help in climate action but also enhance biodiversity, improve water quality, and support local communities. 2. Decoding tech-driven approaches. Tech-driven approaches, on the other hand, are all about harnessing human ingenuity and innovation to tackle climate change. Picture solar panels soaking up the sun's rays or wind turbines spinning gracefully in the breeze. These are examples of tech-driven solutions that generate renewable energy. Beyond just energy, technologies like carbon capture and storage, CCS, and geoengineering are designed to reduce carbon emissions. These approaches are often complex and involve cutting-edge research and development. They promise efficiency and scale, though they can be costly and require substantial infrastructure. 3. Carbon sequestration. A common goal. Both nature-based and tech-driven solutions aim to sequester carbon, but they do so in different ways. NBS like afforestation, reforestation, and wetland restoration naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the air, acting like nature's lungs. These methods are not only effective but also enhance biodiversity and soil health. In contrast, tech-driven methods like direct air capture, DAC, and bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, BECCS, are engineered to capture and store carbon. While these technologies are promising, they are often more expensive and face challenges in scaling up. 4. Evaluating cost-effectiveness. When it comes to cost-effectiveness, nature-based solutions often have the upper hand. They rely on natural processes and require minimal technological infrastructure, making them more affordable in the short term. Imagine planting trees instead of building a complex machine. It's simpler and cheaper. On the flip side, while some tech solutions like renewable energy have become more affordable, others like carbon capture are still expensive due to the high costs of technology and infrastructure. 5. Sustainability. A long-term perspective. Sustainability is a key consideration in climate action, and both approaches have their strengths. Nature-based solutions offer long-term sustainability by enhancing biodiversity and protecting ecosystems. They improve soil health and provide resilience against climate impacts. However, their effectiveness can be limited by factors like land use changes and deforestation. Tech-driven solutions can be highly efficient but may have environmental impacts, such as resource extraction for batteries. Their sustainability depends on continued technological advancements and careful management of resources. 6. Biodiversity and ecosystem services. Nature-based solutions shine when it comes to biodiversity and ecosystem services. By protecting habitats and enhancing ecosystems, they support the resilience of species and provide services like flood control and storm protection. For example, mangroves protect coastal areas from storms and support marine life. Tech-driven approaches, while reducing carbon emissions, do not directly improve biodiversity or ecosystem services. They focus more on efficiency and emissions reduction than on ecosystem health. 7. Speed of implementation matters. the speed at which solutions can be implemented is crucial in the fight against climate change. Nature-based solutions can often be implemented quickly, especially when working with existing ecosystems. Planting trees or restoring wetlands can happen relatively swiftly but require long-term monitoring. Tech-driven solutions like renewable energy can also be deployed rapidly, but others, such as carbon capture or geoengineering, may take decades to develop and scale effectively. 8. Co-benefits for people and communities. Nature-based solutions offer multiple co-benefits for local communities. They improve food security, water quality, and disaster resilience. Imagine a restored forest providing livelihoods, boosting agricultural productivity, and reducing flood risks. Tech-driven solutions, like energy efficiency and renewable energy, can create jobs and stimulate economies. However, they may not offer as many direct co-benefits to local ecosystems or communities as NBS. 9. Resilience to climate impacts. Resilience is key to adapting to climate impacts, and nature-based solutions excel in this area. By restoring natural systems, they provide flood control, storm protection, and drought mitigation. Healthy wetlands and mangroves buffer communities from sea level rise and extreme weather events. Tech-driven solutions, like climate prediction models and smart grids, help manage climate impacts but are often more focused on mitigation than adaptation. 10. Global and local implementation. Both nature-based and tech-driven solutions can be implemented on global and local scales. NBS are valuable in regions with abundant natural ecosystems, offering solutions like urban green spaces and large-scale reforestation. However, their success depends on careful management and protecting land from further degradation. Tech solutions like solar farms and wind turbines can be deployed globally but often require significant infrastructure investment. They can be tailored to meet specific local energy needs, though access to technology may vary by region. In conclusion, both nature-based solutions and tech-driven approaches have vital roles to play in addressing climate change. Each brings unique strengths and challenges to the table, and a combination of both may offer the most comprehensive and resilient path forward.